Good morning, dear kids. Today we will solve the question answers of chapter number 2 History on the Trail of the Earliest People. So let's begin with bookwork on page number 20. Beta, this is your first question on book. Complete the sentences. Hunter-gatherers choose to live in cave and rock shelters because they wanted to protect themselves from wild animals and bad weather like rain, sunlight, okay? And second, grasslands developed around 12,000 years ago. Third one is early people painted on the walls of caves, right? In Hangski, it was the oldest site. So, in Hangski, tools were made of limestone. These are the answers of question number 1. Question number 2. These are some sites, ancient sites. We are to find out the states. So, mark an arrow and write down Bhimbetka is in Madhya Pradesh, Hangski is in Karnataka and Kurnool caves are in Andhra Pradesh. So beta, these two questions you will do only in book and we will start writing in notebook from question number 1, that is your keywords. Beta, in notebook first you will maintain the index space like earlier, and inside the notebook now you will write the date of today and page number. Then you will write in broad line chapter number 2 and then afterward name of the chapter on the trail of the earliest people. Now let's begin with keywords. First keyword, hunters, gatherers, who hunts animals, and gatherer, who gathers food. Second, sites. It means places where the remains of things as tools, weapons, pots, etc. were found. Third, habitation means the area meant for living. Beta, you will write all these keywords in capital letter. You will begin all the keywords with capital letter and the answers of these keywords you can write in small letter, right? Begin from small letter. Now the third keyword is habitation, the area meant for living. Fourth, factory site, where stone was found and people made tools. Then Paleolithic means study of old stones. Mesolithic means study of middle stones. Microliths mean study of tiny stones. So these are your keywords. Write down very carefully and leave one line after every keyword. Now come to your question answers. You will begin from question number 3 because first and second question we have done already in your book. So question number 3, why did the hunter-gatherers travel from place to place? So you will write hunter-gatherers traveled from one place to another. You are to write 4 or 5 reasons. So first reason is, look here carefully, in search of plants and animals, resources. When they would have eaten up all the available resources at a particular place, they move from another place. Second reason, plants and trees bear fruit in different seasons. So people have to move season to season. They have to move in search of water also. Then fourth point, people may have travelled on foot to meet their friends and relatives. Fifth, animals move from place to place in search of smaller prey. Who hunted animals? They have also to follow their movements, right? So today we move in search of jobs, higher education, for tourism, and see interesting places for work, for business, etc. Right? So this is the answer of question number 3rd, which you will write at the very first in your notebook after keywords. Beta, you will leave 2 lines after this question number. Right? Then question number 4. What tools would you use today for cutting fruit? What would they be made of? Now the answer is, we use knife for cutting fruits. It is made up of stainless steel. Right? Beta, this is question number 5. You will write only the first line of this question up to this. Okay? List 3 ways in which hunter-gatherers used fire. You will write in this answer, hunter-gatherers used fire for hyphen. Next, point number A, cooking their food, to scare away wild animals, as a source of light. So these were the uses of fire. Now next, question number 6. Beta, question number 6. There is no need to write this question, only answer. This is just like an activity. You can write in box or you can write in this manner. Right, beta? First, hunter and gatherers ate which type of food? So you can write at your own. Like I have written, fruits, roots, meat, nuts, leaves, seeds, stalks, eggs. And we people eat milk, vegetables, and milk also a source of our staple diet. Junk food, cold drinks, meat, chicken, chapati, ice cream. You can write at your own choice. Right, beta? This is just your activity. So these are the question answers of chapter number 2. Have a good day ahead and revise these questions carefully. Thank you.